welcome. We are currently in Eden. It's so beautiful here, and tonight this is our little spot where we're camping, and it backs onto this. Stunning. Sun's just setting. See you in the morning. Good morning. So we're just cooking up some brekkie, and where are we off to today? Van Boyd National Park. So we're off to see
the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
So we're off to see this beautiful white rock. It's called the Pinnacles, and it's got this really pretty red clay on top. So I'll show you some photos when we get there. And also, Victoria just got out of lockdown, and we're so close to Victoria, and like it's on the way. So fingers crossed we can get there in the next few days. We're really excited about that. We have applied for a travel permit and it got accepted, which is really exciting, but it says it's only for 2 weeks, but like we're going that way, so we're just trying to figure out how that works, because obviously we don't want to be there for 2 weeks. We want to be there way longer than that and travel through Victoria, so we'll keep you updated. Okay, we just found out. Ben posted on this VanLife group on Facebook, and this lovely lady replied saying that 2 weeks is for us to get into Victoria, so we can be in there for as long as we want.
We're just idiots.
Yeah, we just didn't read it properly or something. Yeah, but we're good, so yay, we're going to Victoria soon. We just finished the hike. I did that hike in a silk dress. My lessons learned. But we got some really good photos, so go check those out on my Instagram. Now we're just parked out at the national park here, and we're making some dinner, and then we'll probably head back to Eden tonight for a shower. We are currently at our first campsite destination here in Victoria. We're at this cool free campsite in Cairns River, and it's literally got everything: showers, bathroom, water, like everything you need, and it's a free campsite. Super cool. Like, New South Wales, up your game. We're just chilling outside, and we're gonna make some laksa for dinner. That's the favorite because it's kind of like a chilly night, and we'll see you tomorrow. So we are currently parked up right next to the Snowy River. Beautiful little spot we got, and the van is just parked over here. Good little but we grabbed, it's a free campsite that we found on Wiki Maps, and we're in between the suburbs Marlow and, was it Orbost? Yeah, Orbost or something like that. Yeah, so it's really lovely and peaceful, so we're gonna cook up some dinner and have a beautiful night here.
Standing on the roof, watching the sunset.
Hello, I am really impressed by Victoria's free campsites. They've been amazing. Last night we stayed at 90 Mile Beach and they literally had a free campsite like every turn. So many, so we stayed at a really cute area there on the beach. And then tonight we're like about an hour south and we're staying at this free campsite, and it's like on the back of this pub, and it's so cool, like got all the campers out here. And tonight at the pub they're having like a live band and everything, so
Live blues bands.
Live blues bands, we'll go check that out in a bit. And yeah, I just thought I'd end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this far into my video, and I'll see you in the next one.